Top 5 Home Remedies for Diarrhea. We've all experienced bouts of diarrhea at some point in our lives. Common symptoms of diarrhea include frequent watery stools, abdominal cramping, and bloating. Diarrhea is often your body's way of dealing with disruptions in your gastrointestinal system. Acute diarrhea lasts less than 2 weeks and can come from many sources. A viral infection, a bacterial infection, food poisoning, recent antibiotic use, water contaminated with an infectious agent. Infectious diarrhea is most common in young children and is often caused by a virus. 1. Hydration. Hydration is very important when you have diarrhea. Dehydration from diarrhea can be fatal in young children and older adults. Continue breastfeeding or formula feeding infants who are experiencing diarrhea. Over-the-counter oral pediatric hydration solutions, like Pedialyte, are the recommended fluids of choice for children with diarrhea. Small amounts of hydration solutions should be given frequently. Sport drinks and antidepressant solutions are effective for adults with mild symptoms of diarrhea. Alcohol, milk, soda, and other carbonated or caffeinated drinks should not be used for hydration, as they may make your symptoms worse. 2. Foods to eat. While it might sound counterintuitive to eat, if you have diarrhea, eating certain foods can help alleviate your diarrhea symptoms and ensure your health doesn't worsen from not eating. Stick to low-fiber brat foods that will help firm up your stool. Bananas, white rice, applesauce, toast, mango. Other foods that are usually well tolerated when experiencing diarrhea include oatmeal, boiled or baked potatoes, baked chicken with skin removed, chicken soup. 3. Probiotics. Probiotics are a source of good bacteria that work in your gut to create a healthier gut environment. They are essentially living microorganisms found in certain foods. That is, aged soft cheeses, beet kvass, cottage cheese, dark chocolate, green olives, kefir, kimchi, kombucha, sauerkraut, miso, pickles, sourdough bread, tempeh, yogurt. Probiotics also come in powder or pill form. The good bacteria that live in your intestinal tract are necessary for the normal functioning of your gastrointestinal system. They play an important role in protecting your intestines against infection. When your system is changed by antibiotics or overwhelmed by unhealthy bacteria or viruses, you can get diarrhea. Probiotics relieve diarrhea by restoring the bacterial balance in your gut. 4. Foods to avoid. Fried and greasy foods are usually not well tolerated in people who have diarrhea. You should also consider limiting high-fiber foods like bran as well as fruits and vegetables that can increase bloating. Foods to avoid include alcohol, artificial sweeteners, chewing gum, beans, berries, broccoli, cabbage, cauliflower, chickpeas, coffee, corn, ice cream, green leafy vegetables, milk, peas, peppers, tea. 5. Over-the-counter drugs. With your doctor's supervision, several over-the-counter medications can help with acute diarrhea if your symptoms are not severe. Common over-the-counter medications include bismuth subsalicylate, loperamide. While these drugs can relieve the symptoms of diarrhea, they don't treat the underlying cause. If you have chronic diarrhea, you shouldn't use these drugs without your doctor's consent. Chronic diarrhea is diarrhea that lasts more than 14 days. It often has different causes. You should be especially cautious if your child has diarrhea. Dehydration resulting from diarrhea can be dangerous and can occur quickly in young children. Severe dehydration can be life-threatening. Over-the-counter medications are not recommended for treatment in children, so it's important to talk to your doctor. Infants under 3 months old who have diarrhea should be taken to the doctor right away. If you have bloody diarrhea, a fever, more than 7 days of symptoms, intense abdominal pain, or diarrhea that is getting worse, you should seek medical attention.